Artic P12 Pro is a high-efficiency cooling fan widely praised for its excellent balance of airflow, static pressure, and low noise, making it a versatile choice for a variety of PC cooling needs. Built with an optimized blade design, the P12 Pro pushes plenty of air when it's needed most, performing well as both in-case intake, exhaust, fan, or radiators or heatsinks. It focuses on performances rather than flashy lighting, lets it excel in pure cooling efficiency while remaining quiet under load. Construction is solid while quality bearing that helps reduce vibrance and ensure long-term reliability, and the fan is available in PWM version and lets you smooth control based speed based on system temperature. Compared to many stock fans, the Arctic P12 Pro delivers noticeably better thermal performances without a significant increase in noise, making it a favorite upgrade for gamers, content creators, and anyone building a performance-oriented system. In systems where silent operation is priority, its low noise floor stands out. Overall, the Arctic P12 Pro is a solid performance-focused fan that boosts cooling effective without drawing attention or to itself, making it smart choice for both everyday builds and high-performance PCs.